Hello all. Today's video is going to be about making DIY aprons. So we are going to hand sew it as we did our airband. So if you are new to this channel, this is the airband which we did DIY stuff I did for myself with old cloth with one of my maxi. So today, like that, I'm going to do with the old maxi of mine, I'm going to do a apron. So come, let's get into the video. The things you need for this video is a maxi. So this was a maxi or a chudidar, whichever you select. So this was my maxi. What I did is I cut off and took the back side part of this maxi, because this is a feeding maxi, so I had holes and zip in the front part, so I couldn't prefer the front part, so I have preferred the back part of this maxi. So like that, prefer from your chudidar. Okay, like that, prefer from your chudidar or from your maxi. You can prefer the back side or the front side, whichever is so need. If you are going for an old maxi, it's better to go for back side. Mostly the front side would be a bit of, it would have torn off, or it would have been very much dusted if you are a housewife and if you carry on some kitchen activities. If your front part is very neat, you can use that. So prefer it as your wish. Then, so it's shaking. Okay, then I'm going with two, what to call it, as ribbon or something. These two are from my dresses only. So nowadays many of the gowns or dresses you are getting with what is called this as the knot which we put at the back side. So this is the one which we get with the dress to tie a knot for us. So take such two things. So I'm preferring two things. Color, yes, obviously we are creating something which old items, so obviously colors that's not gonna match. You can also try this with new material, buying new material also you can try, but I'm doing it with maxi. I'm not what to say, tailor or something. I'm not very much into this, so I'm just trying some DIY stuffs with at home accessories. So I can't give you measurements if you buy in new things, I mean doing with new things. Okay, then with this we are going to do, come let's get into the video. So this is my old nightie. So you can see I'm going to cut it off and use the back side of the nightie. So cut it fully. And now to the back part of this maxi, what I have done is I have cut it and took it in a shape to make it into apron shape. I have made it like this. I have folded and made it compact for apron shape, and I have pinned them up. So I have pinned them up like this till here, and then it would be exact. Okay, wait, I will show you properly. Hope you could watch me properly now. So I'm so like this, so that it's gonna be intact. Okay, so we are preferring it this way. Now we only have to stitch it up. So stitch the pinned parts. I'm just going to hand sew it, and after that I have to fix the ribbons which I have for neck and for tying behind. So you can see that I will show you how I do that.